In this video, we will see how we can download high-resolution drone or UAV imagery from internet for free. You can see this image is 5 cm resolution. And how much high-resolution image is that? You can do any type of deep learning training and other classification task on this high-resolution image. So let's see how to do it. First, go to browser and search for OpenAerialMap. Click on the link of OpenAerialMap website. When it opens, click Start Exploring. Now zoom to the location where you want your imagery to be downloaded. Now the map is loading. And when the map is loaded, when you move your mouse cursor, you will see how many numbers of aerial imagery is available in that area. Suppose in this area we have 40 images. Let's click on this. When you click on the grid, it will open all those images in the left sidebar, and the image you want to download, click on that. Suppose we want to download this one, and you can check the date of image acquisition. Also the resolution is 5 cm. You can also see the image size and other information. To download the image, you need to click on this download button. Let's click on this, and our download has started. The download is done. This is our download folder. The file that we have downloaded is this one. Now let's open it in ArcGIS Pro. Now we are in ArcGIS Pro. Let's go to catalog, and from downloads folder, this is the image that we have downloaded. Let's bring it to our map. Let's click yes. The image is loaded. If we turn our satellite base map, we can see the image. You can see how high resolution this image is. Since this is 5 cm satellite image, you can do any type of deep learning or any classification with this high resolution image. Thanks for watching.